Students, now we will discuss problems on number of resistances connected in series and parallel. The first problem is find the equivalent resistance across AB in the given circuit. This is resistance R1, resistance R2 and resistance R3. In this circuit, point A and point D are short circuited and point C and point B are also short circuited. Current I is flowing through the circuit and we have to find the equivalent resistance across A and B. Now solution is we have to find the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. This is the point A and this is the point B. As point A and point D are short circuited. This is point A, point D are short circuited. Therefore, the point A and point D are at same potential and can be connected. That is, point A and point D is same point. Similarly, point C and point B are short circuited. Therefore, point C and point B are at same potential and can be connected. That is, point B and point C is same point. In the given circuit, the resistance R1 is connected between A and C. This is resistance R1. It is connected between point A and point C. Therefore, connect R1 in between A and C in the equivalent circuit. This is point A, point C, and connect R1 in between A and C. This is R1 connected between point A and point C. Similarly, in the given circuit, the resistance R2 is connected between C and D. Therefore, connect R2 in between C and D in the equivalent circuit. This is point C, point D, and connect R2 between D and C. And in the given circuit, the resistance R3 is connected between D and B. This is resistance R3 connected between point D and point B. Hence, connect R3 in between D and B in the equivalent circuit. This is point D, this is point B, and connect R3 resistance between point D and B. Therefore, the equivalent circuit is as shown in the diagram. The three resistances are connected in parallel and equivalent resistance is given by 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. In the right hand side, take LCM R1 into R2 into R3. R1, R2, R3 is LCM, and in the numerator we get R2 R3 plus R1 R3 plus R1 R2 in the right hand side. Taking reciprocal, we get equivalent resistance R is equal to R1 R2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. So this is the equivalent resistance in the given circuit. Thank you very much.